Hello guys, this is Karthik. Today I'm going to explain what is the advanced technology in a fan in a day-to-day life we are using. So before going to the topic, so as we know what is fan, right? Some people's aware of this and some people not aware of this, how it works. Okay, let me explain. Before going to the topic, I have to explain a small introduction about what is motor. So this is the main concept. Electrical motor is a machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So how does the motor will work? So as we know about Faraday's law of induction, right? So when two north and south pole, the magnetic lines will parallel to each other. In that case, inside there will be a rotor. According to the magnetic field, by using electrical supply, it will rotate and mechanical energy will produce. So guys, if you see this animation, you will understand how does the mechanical energy will produce. So this is the animation which I made. This is the electric coil. This is galvanometer which measures the direction flow of magnetic field. And motor have some few components like bearings. This is bearings. There will be a rotor, shaft, we can say this is the shaft. Stator, in the sense this is the stator. Armature, inside that armature will be there, and commutator will be, this is commutator. So let me explain what is bearings. Bearings is a rotatory part which is supported by, when the rotor is rotating by using electricity supply. Rotor is also a moving part. It can deliver the mechanical power when the magnetic field of the stator generates the magnetic field to turn the shaft. Stator is a stationary component which is usually holds the field magnetics. Stator consisting of wire windings around a permanent magnetic fields. Armature. Armature consisting of wire windings. If you see guys, this figure we have pole. Inside that winding will be looped by the rotor. This we can call it as salient pole rotor. Commutator. Commutator is a rotatory electrical switch that supplies the current to the rotor. And the main concept here, it reverses the flow of current in the rotor windings. Because of we are using alternating current, we have to convert into the DC. So this will helps to convert AC into the DC. So let me explain what is the difference between brushed and brushless motor. This is the main concept we are using here. Brushless DC motor and brushed DC motor. What is the difference between two guys? In the sense, so as I explained the motor concept, here also we have rotor and stator, permanent magnetic field and all effect sensor. So this we can say that advanced technology. In the conventional motors, so conventional motor is nothing but like brushed motors, commutator, brushes, permanent magnetic and wound armature. So how it will help in the real life? So the main difference between the brushed and brushless motor is that brushed motor is driven by mechanically and brushless are electronically device. Because of electronic system we are using this brushless motor fan, and then in brushed motor fan we are using mechanical energy. So brushed motor in the sense stator is a stationary part which contains the permanent magnetic field when electromagnetics will produce. There is some disadvantages also: less efficiency, hotter, shorter lifespan, requires more maintenance. So what are BLDC fans? Now just listen guys, this is a very important subtopic here. BLDC fan is one of type of ceiling fan. As we know, we are all using BLDC fans, but some people are not aware of this, how it works, and what is the advanced technology we are using here. So BLDC stands for brushless direct motor. So here you can see what are all the components in BLDC fan we have. So how does the BLDC will work? So as the explained in the motor concept, same concept we are using here also. There will be the rotor and stator will produce the magnetic field. When the magnetic field will rotates, and working process will be when two similar motors north and south pole are placed on the rotor and stator, the magnetic force impulses the rotor to rotational movements. It can continuously work to produce the mechanical energy, and we need to convert electrical energy by using changing the polarity in the stator. So advanced, why we are call it as advanced technology in the sense SMPF, as we know about switched mode power supply is used to convert AC supply into DC supply. So this I already told you guys, this is the SMPS, switch mode power supply. And microcontroller is a device which can receive the input data from the system. So microcontroller has some few features like oscillator, converter, RAM, microprocessor, program memory, and peripherals. So this we have some advantages and disadvantages also. A fewer maintenance costs, better performance, lesser noise. So generally the motor will cause more noise because of the friction. So friction is nothing but, so without friction no components will transfer from one place to the another components, even human beings also. A fewer maintenance cost, how it applies in the sense BLDC fan there are no carbon bushes we are using, and better performance in the sense BLDC fan motors electronically controlled. As I explained here, there will be the new technology which I have shown, SMPF and microcontroller. So I hope understand everything. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will update in another video. Thank you.